Hey guys, Mark from Erickson Machine today. So wanted to do a thank you video, say we did it. We made 10,000 subscribers. That is amazing. I can't believe, I think the channel is a little over 3 years. It's awesome, and it's all because of you guys. So now we have to figure out how to do a giveaway to say thank you to everybody that's helped out on the channel, been a subscriber, stuff like that. So I need your help to figure out how we're going to do it. So let's get started. So I got a few ideas of what to do, but I kind of want you guys to decide. So I don't know if you guys want to do a couple smaller prizes, you know, a couple small prizes and one big prize, or like 2 bigger prizes. So one thing I was thinking about is if there's somebody in the tri-state area for one of the bigger prizes, do a giveaway where we port your cylinder and you're able to come down to the shop and port it with me. I'll teach you how to do it. We'll do a whole video on doing your engine and put it together. So that would be kind of the bigger one. But that being said, you know, that's going to be tricky finding somebody that's kind of in the area or is willing to travel to us. Other option would be just doing some machine work. So, you know, give away to 3 guys, something like that. Put comments down below projects that you're working on, and machine work that's needed, and you know, we'll do a voting system or something like that on who has the cooler projects, and pick a couple of you guys and machine your stuff for you. So that would be option number 2. Then option 3 would just be, we go down in the comments, we pick a couple comments, and you know, at random give away some machine work and some merch, you know, from Erickson Machine and Performance. So on this one, you guys are the ones that did this. So I made the videos, but you guys have watched, and without you, we wouldn't be here. So from my family to yours, I'm super appreciative to it. I really enjoy sharing this stuff with you guys. This stuff has kind of been like black magic to a lot of people for many years. I was lucky years ago for some really knowledgeable people to just share their information with me freely and not be scared to share it, to not think that they're giving away some trade secret that's going to affect them in the end. And in the end, it gave them competition, which is really what it did. But they never viewed me as competition. They viewed me as somebody good in the industry that's just helping put out good work. And my opinion is that's something that we need. There's enough work for everybody in the world. You don't need to just get one niche and try to take all the world's work. In all honesty, we don't have the time to do it all. So I would rather help people learn the right way to do stuff, to get more people out in the industry having fun, doing backflips and going fast and all that stuff, and less people having damaged engines because somebody machined something wrong. I'm by no means perfect. Never said I was. I've made mistakes. You know, but for the most part, when it comes to machining stuff, I'm fairly decent at what I do. And I love sharing it. I love also the comments from you guys saying that, oh, I followed this video and I rebuilt my ski and did this or whatever. It's awesome. I love seeing that because it's just getting more people into this hobby that's needed. Like, it's awesome to see people that know how to rebuild their own stuff and know how to do it correctly, know how to check their work correctly. So for that, I'm grateful that you guys have given me this platform, and watch our videos because it's awesome. When I started, I remember the first 100 subscribers we had, and I thought I was doing something. And then I got to 1,000, and I thought that was amazing. I got to 3,000 and 5,000. Now we're at 10,000. It's insane. When I started, I never thought I'd be there. And here we are. So now the next goal is 100,000 and up. So put down in the comments below what you think we should do for a giveaway. And we're going to end up doing one of them. So, thanks again for watching, guys. Have a great day. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. 10K, Erickson Machine and Performance.